So guys, it seems like you really enjoy the E46 videos. So today I'm swapping the original side skirts to the M Sport style side skirts. I don't know if you can tell, but I already swapped that side just to see how it works, and let me tell you, it is easy. And when I say it's easy, that means it's super easy, guys. 1 out of 10 difficulty level. It's basically take it out, pop it back in, as easy as it gets. Hit 2K over the weekend, guys. Thanks so much. Absolutely smashed my 2018 goals. Who would have thought? I never did. Anyways, guys, there's not much sunlight left, so let me show you what you need to do to install the side skirts. Alright guys, so that's the M Sport side skirt right there, and that's the original one, non-M Sport one. I don't know if you could tell any difference from this angle, but this one is quite a bit more aggressive. The angles on it, and it also hangs a bit lower as well. It's a pretty easy install. Like I said before, all you have to do is just let it focus, take out those little tabs, plastic tabs that you can see up there. They easily just pop out. There's about, I guess, about 8, maybe 10 of them, and then the side skirt should just pop out. After you take out all the clips from underneath, boys, the side skirt should just come out. Just be careful when you're pulling it off. The tabs are very easily breakable. I have some ordered for mine because mine were already broken, a few of them, so they should come in. We can just easily replace them, so if they do break, it's not the end of the world, guys. Now to install the new side skirt, guys, you basically repeat the process the opposite way around. So first of all, I'm gonna clip in all the clips, line up the side skirt, just gonna start from this side. And that's it, guys. Side skirt is installed. Just gonna have to reconnect all these little clips from underneath, and it's done.
As you know, we have something special. We have special. Ladies and gentlemen.
So, what do you guys think? Probably the easiest mod I ever done on a car. It would take you probably about 30 minutes tops. It takes me ages because I have to record everything. It wasn't the best video, guys, I know. I'm a little bit rushing. As you can see, it gets dark pretty quickly, guys. And I'm sick, so if I'm making weird noises with my nose, I apologize. I have a cold. So the side skirts, guys, they're not huge difference over the non-M Sport, but they do sit a bit lower, and they have a bit more aggressive angles. And when I have the rear bumper installed, it's gonna match up really nicely with the whole kit. Look at her, she looks mean. I'm really happy how she's coming along, guys. I'm more happier with the support on the channel recently. You guys seem to really like the E46 videos, so I'm just gonna keep bringing them out for you guys. I'm gonna be installing the rear bumper soon as well, and the interior, guys. I got that in recently as well. If you're new to the channel, guys, please subscribe. We just hit 2000k, imagine that. 2k, guys. That's it for the video. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.